Hey folks, welcome to UnDNR Chevys. Today we're working on the kids' truck, installing a new stereo. If you ever see the video I did of working on our dashboard, I suggested that I wasn't going to do this. But she decided for me that it was going to happen. So, found a nice little inexpensive Sony Bluetooth deck from, I don't know, Best Buy online. They shipped it up to Alaska. And I've never really had a lot of first luck putting a stereo into a car. It's usually always some major malfunction, wrong wiring harness or something. But found a kit on eBay that actually has the dash mount and a simple antenna adapter. Come with a PAC module. That this one is for base units, no OnStar, no serious blows, whatever unit in it. And this here came with the plug-in and the adapter. This goes to the unit. And right now I just have this all taped together because I wanted to make sure it was all working. And as you can see, I'm ready for the heat shrink and stuff. When I pull this off, solder it, heat shrink it up, and throw it in the truck. Really, this was almost a color for color matchup for putting it together. Only ended up with one extra wire coming out of the wiring harness. And I have another unit here that I just took out of the Grand Prix, and it's not hooked up either. So this is wow, about the most painless setup that I've ever done, and it's coming in right around $200. Got a remote, got the microphone for the cell phone. It's a nice little unit. You can sync two Bluetooth devices to it, so it seems all right. So I'm done with this part now. I'm gonna solder this all up. I've already had it in the truck, rocking out. So get into part of this process. I've got some clips here just to hold everything together. Got my stuff soldered. Disconnected from that. Let's see, I got this here. I'm just bending that over, sliding my heat tube over it. And I've been watching too much YouTube. Got me one of these little things here. You can see that once you pull it out of the mount, it starts going. That beeps. It's at 334 degrees right there. Come on, baby, shrink. Tubing is just a little too big for this particular setup. Ran out of the smaller tubing. Put that in there and you actually turn it. And it goes into self-cooling. There you go. Time to move on to the next one. It's nice having a third hand around. Be nice too if I wasn't blind. There we go. Jeez, about time. It's supposed to be click and go, click and go. I've had some other heat guns and torches in the past, but this is actually, I'm not burning my fingers today. Kind of like this little thing here. Yeah, I know some of you guys are probably like, what the hell are you doing? Well, I'm just trying to keep the chafing to a minimum. The stretching to a minimum, the pulling out to a minimum. And the mess to a minimum. Not trying to hide anything. Really. No. Ow! Jesus, I hope you got that. Another car trying to get some blood out of me. But there we go. That's ready to go back in the truck. Well, I guess there's one thing about this radio mount that I didn't like. Was that these here mount tabs are just a little bit in the wrong spot. So I cut the ear parts off here that you're supposed to, and they're just a little thickness there. So basically gonna nip that in the butt. Take 3 of these, there's 3 screws, sand them on there, a little bit of super glue, put them on there, then run the mount screws through all that, and that should last forever. And if it doesn't, my daughter knows where I live. Well, till we win the lottery and move. Well, as you can see, all this fits real nice in here. Boom. Slam, slam. Take this thing here and shove it in the hole. Yay! Now I'm going to pull it out and make sure it's not jammed badly. Yeah, with those spacers, it's still pretty solid here. I think that's going to work out just beautiful. Time to route the mic and put the bezel back on. Alright, she's in. You can kind of see there's a gap here, and it's similar to the gap here. That's tight. So we know she's in. The grill piece is in. I don't think that looks too bad. You should see the stereo in the other kid's truck. Anyways, got the new key going into the new lock. That's the sound our little chip makes. Garbage in here. Okay, set the radio. Let's find something. Alright. Sorry, I have the sound turned off on this so I don't have to deal with music. So folks, I guess that'll work. We got bass setups. We got a display here, channel. It shows the truck's voltage. It's actually not bad for sitting here forever. You got the phone. I don't know. I guess you've seen one radio, you've seen 500. I think this one looks pretty good with the new cluster. Ended up running the phone microphone. It's kind of where the OnStar microphone would be. Thought it would look ugly down here, look ugly sitting on top of the dash, would look ugly over here. It almost got mounted here, but then this gets in the way. And this is just gonna miss it. So One last look. Well, I sure hope the kid doesn't come up with any more ideas. I like playing with that. Good for parades, and put it in for the old man. There we go. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Yay, yay. So, thanks, folks. Think we're going to finish off talking to old Deadpool with boobs. Huh. Alright. Evidently, he hacked the Hawaiian girl in half. Can't leave him alone for nothing. Thanks. Bye. Alright, folks, here's a helpful tip. When you pull the stereo out of your car, somebody else's car, anything, remember to push the eject button. Oh, and turn on your power source here. Wired to an old plug got laying on the shelf. But yeah. Come on. What? Now I think I know why they wanted a new radio. There is a CD in it, but it don't want to come out. Oh, there we go. Alright, that was fun. Remember to pull your CDs, folks. Not that anyone knows how to use these anymore, but